Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make iceberg lettuce crispy. You know that sad, limp lettuce that sometimes appears in your fridge? Don't toss it. The secret to bringing it back to life, and keeping it that way, lies in rehydrating its cells. By giving your lettuce a refreshing shock with very cold water, you can restore its natural crispness, making your salads and sandwiches much more enjoyable. It's a simple trick that yields fantastic results every time. The most effective way to achieve crispy iceberg lettuce is with an ice bath. First, separate all the leaves from the head and wash them well under cool running water to remove any dirt. Next, fill a large bowl with a generous amount of ice and cold water. Fully submerge your lettuce leaves in this icy mixture. Let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the plant cells to absorb water, plumping them up and restoring their firm texture. After its invigorating ice bath, drying your lettuce properly is crucial for maximum crispness. Excess water will make your salad soggy and prevent dressing from adhering. The best tool for this is a salad spinner, which quickly removes water without bruising the delicate leaves. If you don't have one, gently pat the leaves dry with clean paper towels. Ensure they are as dry as possible before moving to the next step, as this is vital for maintaining that satisfying crunch. To keep your iceberg lettuce crisp for longer, proper storage is key. After drying, place the leaves in an airtight container lined with a few damp paper towels. The towels help absorb any lingering moisture while providing a humid environment, which is perfect for lettuce. Avoid packing the leaves too tightly; they need a little airflow. Stored this way in your refrigerator, your lettuce can stay wonderfully crisp for up to 3 to 5 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.